Nod off. Fall asleep. He nodded off in class. I nodded off at work. Stay up. Not sleep. I can't stay up anymore. He stayed up all night. Pay back. Return borrowed money. I will pay back the money. He paid back what he borrowed. Sort out. Separate things. She sorted out the laundry. He sorted out fresh vegetables. Sort out. Organize. They sorted out the books. I sorted out my messy bag. Fill up. Make full. Fill up my bottle. The bus filled up with people. Wind up. Finish. The show will wind up soon. Let's wind up the game. Wear out. Get damaged. My shoes wore out. The old carpet wore out. Wear out. Make very tired. She was worn out after cleaning. The gym made me worn out. Think over. Consider carefully. Think over what I said. He is thinking over moving. Put out. Stop a fire or light. They put out the fire. He put out the lamp. Kick off. Start. The game will kick off soon. The concert kicked off with a song. Pull over. Stop a car. The taxi pulled over. The bus pulled over to pick up people. Close down. Shut a business. The old shop will close down. The factory closed down last year. Act up. Misbehave. The baby is acting up today. My computer acted up again. Bank on. Depend on. I am banking on your help. You can bank on him. Blow up. Explode or get angry. The bomb blew up. She blew up at me,